Thousands of snake species live across our planet, but some possess incredibly powerful venom. Just a single bite can become life-threatening. Today, let's learn about some of the world's most venomous snakes. This video is for educational purposes only. Never attempt to approach or handle any snake. One of the world's most venomous snakes is the inland taipan. It lives in the remote regions of Australia. Although it has extremely potent venom, it naturally avoids contact with humans. The eastern brown snake is a fast-moving venomous snake. It is commonly found throughout Australia. It usually tries to defend itself, only when it feels threatened. One of Africa's most famous venomous snakes is the black mamba. It is well known for its incredible speed and its highly potent venom. It is a wild animal that should always be treated with extreme caution. Some species of sea snakes also possess extremely powerful venom. However, they generally avoid humans and live peacefully in the ocean. The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake. It is a unique predator that mainly feeds on other snakes. Its impressive size and strength give it a special place in the natural world. Snakes use highly specialized senses to detect and understand their surroundings. They are an important part of nature, helping to maintain ecological balance. By controlling populations of rodents and other small animals, snakes play a vital role in keeping ecosystems healthy and balanced. Instead of fearing snakes, let's understand them, avoid disturbing them unnecessarily, and always respect them from a safe distance. Although snakes may appear frightening, they are an essential part of our natural world. By learning the facts, we can better appreciate and protect nature. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating wildlife documentaries.